Hey everyone, welcome. Want to connect your Metamask wallet to Hyperliquid for trading or portfolio tracking? I'll show you exactly how to link these services together. So firstly, you guys need to go to the official Hyperliquid website. Let us go to it. So just open it up. After that, you can, at the top right corner of the page, click Connect Wallet, as you can see right over here. And now, as you can see, we can start working. A pop-up will appear. Select Metamask from the wallet providers, so right over here. And now you just need to insert your password, of course. Look at that. Nice. So after that, you just choose the account you want to link. Click Next and then Connect. After that, if this is your first time, approve any signature requests to allow interaction with Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid also works on its own layer 1 chain. Metamask may not natively support it yet, so it will primarily be used for signing and authentication, not for token transfers unless specified. And now you are connected. You should see your wallet address at the top right corner of the screen. Also, you can use this little tutorial and the visualization on how to do it on the phone. And that's how you connect your Metamask to Hyperliquid. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.